finals, no, yeah, line up, no, as it stands. This was game 5. Not series near 2-2. 2 for the Boston Celtics and then 2 for the Philadelphia 76ers. Boston Celtics in the host here at the TD Garden. And now him say home court obetimi atwaso na wetimi nyankonimdie, but it was a different story. The Sixers won 115 and the Celtics 103 points. And so it was a double-digit point victory for the Philadelphia 76ers. And then in this series, where the second away victory against the Boston Celtics. Omuli this series as it stands now 3-2. The top scorer of the game was Jason Tatum, 36 points, another 10 rebounds, plus 5 dimes, and also Echo Edemano. On the part of the Sixers, Joel Embiid was their top scorer. Oren Samson, the second top scorer in the game, 33 points for the reigning MVP of the NBA regular season, and only 7 rebounds and then 4 blocks. And Odi Area, Tyron Maxey, and Tyrese Maxey, and 30 points. 30 points no nya emu 6 a 3-point shot to make here, and then 7 rebounds. The likes of Jaylen Brown, my 24 points, James Harden my 17 points, Tobias Harris and so my 16 points. Sana Shisheno Esikoye for the Boston Celtics and the Sixers gamer, and also 8 bars. So now away from the result, the takeaways from the game, the key takeaways, and saying in Tusha you're lying in the Sixers stand Celtics. So the key takeaways: 1, Joel Embiid with an MVP performance offensively and then defensively. For 3 consecutive games, he has been giving us 30 points or more. Endra, 33 points in the game at the top score for the Sixers. It wasn't just about the offensive contribution. Say offensive contribution here, say points to do all share at the Abua. But once again, Joel Embiid a valid contribution that is defensively. And to Obana Babesha, there's the Philadelphia 76ers and the contribution of Joel Embiid. 33 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists in 37 minutes. So Obekaya series where he did not start with Joel Embiid. Now with Praniko Toje.
Yes.
And game 1, Bobina James had a mobile take control. Then when he returned in game 2 coming now on share down getting into the group because what nan cheche until he warmed himself up. But in the last 2 games, Embiid has given us solid performances, and the underlying impact was in this particular game. Omeki 23 field goal attempts, Omeki mu 10, which was positive. Then on my 3-pointers, or attempted 7, Onya 3 correct, which was very positive. Then over free throws now, he missed just 1 free throw out of 11 attempts. Ne rating in the game na plus 21. So Embiid na court ne so ball at the Ama Sixers na plus 21, which is the highest of any Sixers player. When they checking the impact. So it means they go ahead or they have a possibility of improving whether say a point, whether they are chance of winning or not. Plus 21 for Joel Embiid, 4 defensive rebounds, and then making 4 blocks in terms of shot Celtics for the attempt here. So offensively, Omar point. Defensively, he's preventing Sixers from a conceding point. And it was a total MVP performance for Branty offense Joel Embiid, which was very, very positive. But a part of a theme what this particular series the team in this particular series they say the centers who are dominating. Centers the big men.
Okay.
They may be analysis Oko Lakers Anthony Davis. Denver Nuggets Nikola Jokic. Then was Sixers it is Joel Embiid. So the centers are dominating in the league. And only idea a favor. Then it looks like you're returning to the old days now. Shaquille O'Neal who were the big men, and then they were dominant for their respective sides. So kudos to Abranti offense Joel Embiid. Yambra screen so then we revert to the when in the studio and Tibra screen so fall. Now aside Embiid contribution on your good support from Tyrese Maxey and them James Harden. Please come brass screen so first screen if I'm fall. Tyrese Maxey, James Harden. What did they do? Sanso brought back to the studio. Tyrese Maxey Yefan said the third most important player for the Sixers. James Harden here the second most important player. He steps up. No, I be taking the four way no of the Sixers team in the absence of Embiid. But Embiid woman saying a ranking it here. Joel Embiid, James Harden and Tyrese Maxey. Now Maxey a valuable contribution offensively. Onya a 30-point game, especially from 3-point range. Into check here. This is Tyrese Maxey analysis. Now over Tyrese Maxey analysis are 30 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. And it's a Joel Embiid that changed Maxey in this game just by 3 points.
Yes.
Which was a massive contribution. Not just that, 6 3-points made from 12 attempts. So 50% accuracy from deep. Yeah. Which was valuable, which is very, very good. The idea very good and say you need your big game players to always show up in crucial moments. Endra, now a big game. And Tyrese Maxey proved a big game player. It wasn't just him. James Harden, a double-double in terms of points and assists. 10 assists, 17 points. In between, on my 8 points from the board and now 8 rebounds, which was positive for him. And even on a night that James Harden anchor 20, the contribution of Tyrese Maxey, et me peja the name de ko anymore. Eboa Sixers almost to me. Then the last key takeaway. The factors that did not help Celtics a poor shooting. They had a woeful shooting night. Jason Tatum was the top scorer of the game. Only 36 points. But we check here, or attempted 27 field goals. And 11 penalty me make here. Meaning Jason Tatum made 16 field goals. And Tiafan is about short 10. But a game no wash a hat trick. No be any Abu Dhabi share hat trick. But your name's a short now, boy. You should have had like 6 goals in the entire game. That is Jason Tatum. Then Jaylen Brown, 9 of 16 field goals made. Attempts near 16. And it means that or makes a total of 7. Marcus Smart, 2 of 7. Or may say 5 shots out of a year way no to me make it. Then Al Horford, 0 of 7. 7 attempts, 0 points scored. And clearly, it was a bad shooting night for the Celtics. And Tiobaha now Oba share the statistics in terms of teams in the There is a field goals attempted. Celtics attempted overall 83 field goals. Oba the Sixers are 79. But Sixers 79 onyamu 40. Celtics 83 onyamu 33. Meaning they missed 50 field goals. Omu attempted 83, omu missing 50, which is bad. A percentage in here 39.8. If you break it down to 2-point field goals and 3-point field goals now, 2-point field goals, Celtics make 50, 45 attempts, emu 21 meaning they missed 24, which is quite different from the Sixers. 49 here, they made 28, meaning they missed just 21.
Yes.
21 and yakwa. Oh, checking the difference between the Celtics and here. 4 field goals missed, but 2 times 4 you're saying 8 points. So the Celtics here were beaten to the 2 field attempts and field goals made by 8 points by the Philadelphia 76ers. Then what about 3 points for the 3-pointers? 38 attempted for the Celtics. Emu 12 penalty make here, meaning they missed out on 26. Oba the Sixers now, they missed out on 18 after attempting 30 and will make it 12. So the difference is that the Celtics had a woeful shooting night and then Antimi Ambua, Emmanuel Anko Yamfama. So they lost. And we wish them the best of luck in the next one, which is game 6. Airbus was Sixers in Ifie. If they lose, they are out. If they win, they force a game 7. Okay. And these are the dynamics. To the Denver Nuggets and the Phoenix Suns. And also the result, was in favor of the Denver Nuggets. What's a catch or say Nuggets near a home dominant team into Oretania Kofi, Kiana King, or the best the Phoenix Suns in the con. And it was a beautiful tactical disposition by Coach Offense Michael Malone, on here in charge of the Denver Nuggets. Now, there's the score. 118 for the Nuggets, 102 for the Phoenix Suns. Nikola Jokic my 29 points, but onya triple-double. Triple-double no onya 29 points, 13 rebounds, and then 12 assists for the Joker. And he's also a big man, and he's proven. Devin Booker my 28 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 assists. Then Kevin Durant 26 points, 11 rebounds. Bruce Brown 25 points. Now underline this and then note this name, Bruce Brown. Okay. So now what were the factors? The key takeaways from this, and they say one, Denver Nuggets game, no, it looks like the Suns don't have an answer to Abrantes fence and Nikola Jokic.
Yes.
And to check here, in this series, when you double mienu, when you triple doubles mienu, in 4 games Omoeshia, he has always been outperforming the Phoenix Suns in terms of the ratings individual player being. What is the answer? The answer is that the Phoenix Suns need new obia or what that ability to stop him. Now, I don't know if I said DeAndre Ayton ever prevented Jokic from dominating in the paint. In the paint near baby, a Ben rim now, yes, cheddar, a BY cheddar painty. That is where Jokic is mostly dominant in rebounds, in shot from 2-point range, and then also in assist. So when you be obetimi ahye so, when you be a on money nya habanten we are, aya na a share Jokic mo ntimi improve statistically, but the Suns have failed to do that, which is a problem. Another one, Michael Malone, the coaching reject. What did he do? Or improve your more transitional defense. And to check here, as it stands now, there will be a kind of fast break and then a counter attack. Some major ball now and check number the aqua show. But I quickly set up now prevent from scoring. And for the first time in the last 3 games, the Denver Nuggets almost outscore Phoenix Suns 31-23 in terms of fast break. Now it's a counter attacking pointer. Denver Nuggets for the 31. 23 for the Suns, which is a drop because in the last 2 games, Suns not outscore Denver Nuggets in terms of fast breaks. So it was a coaching planner, Coach Professor Michael Malone used to here. Then they also attempted to slow down Devin Booker. Devin Booker, he's a key man for the Phoenix Suns. Osha points no do, but Osha is so slowing down. Man, the pressure. He's human. Obey mistakes. So in as much as Devin Booker had 28 points, Abu, or making 19 field goal attempts. Emu 11 pe and no to me make it, or may say 11, sorry. Emu 8 pe no to me make it. So they limited the shooting prowess of Devin Booker due to the coaching plan of Michael Malone. Then Michael Porter Jr. and so show up. He was big. He contributed from 3-point range near there and then getting more help from the bench. The help from the bench and they say, Omo free bench by me catch was say note this name down. Bruce Brown.
Yes.
Brown was a bencher one starting game, but only 25 points. In terms of pointer contribution from the bench, the Denver Nuggets had a total of 34. The Phoenix Suns had 26. So they outscored them from the bench as well. So this was purely coaching and then counting on home dominance. Yeah. And the boy the Denver Nuggets, more with me here, dear or more here. Clearly, the year a branch offense a year joker. That is Nikola Jokic. Watch say on Diagro in this series. This is what he's been able to do. Onya triple double. Now triple double no. A man no atai ne a playoff career best. The career high and 4. So far about 10 matches in this season. Why 4 triple doubles equal. The next to Benyano, it means he sets a new record. 2. Wapasa Will Chamberlain as the center. Center ni a big man. And as the center with most triple doubles in playoffs. Before this game, none will Chamberlain yet 9-9. But Andra triple double no and then equal 10. As also moving into number 5 on the list of players with most triple doubles in NBA playoffs. Most triple doubles don't one was throw Evan Johnson, LeBron James or more double figures. But when also a push anymore or number 10, which is quite remarkable. And we're the first player in NBA history when you're 300 plus points. 90 plus assists in 10 NBA playoff games. Wow. So he's having a good time for the Joker, which is very positive and also very, very good for him. But before the game, your idea be a call so between Matt HBR, a Phoenix Suns or owner. In the last game before game 5, we endrano. Only Nikola Jokic, Omunya and Tawantawa Kakra. Now this is the incident. Mepesi ebeshe. Incident ne say ball call out into out of bounds a Denver Nugget omo ball into omo kwa akwache no so Jokic beko for the ball. Now HBR ebeche ball then there will be a confrontation sort of into Jokic na aba no oya so oji ball na fini nsema ompene into the elbow ebe man kakra. It created tension. MIF as I say Jokic craft for technical foul on here. NBA ne finding 25,000. This was the most expensive elbow this particular season. elbow lawyer $25,000. But before the game ended, they made peace, and this is the peace that they made. Ayadia Jokic and Nanteko, Matt HB and Chain, and then they were able to exchange pleasantries on Mudin Commentosha. I know the ball na command. Then they embraced each other.
Nikola Jokic. Oh
yeah, the Joker. Oh yeah, tough guy. Oh yeah, tough guy. So it was a beautiful moment, Endra, NBA, and also a witness here, and it goes on to promote sportsmanship near there. So clearly, this was the highlight of Endra games. And ended the end, Golden State Warriors against Lakers. Prediction in here: Warriors will not win by less than 5 points.
Okay.
They will win with 6 points or more. And to Golden State Warriors win with 6 points or more. Steph Curry will get over 25 points. Klay Thompson Benya over 22 points. Expect a high scoring game for such two players. Then in the other game, Miami Heat New York Knicks. And you're dependent on the health status of Jalen Brunson, Afe Julius Randle, Emmanuel Quickly. If they are fully fit, what the course of the Knicks. But trust me, Jimmy Butler and so you're available or you're fully fit and is ready to go. Me want to say a very tight game to be on the safer side. Obet me call plus point I say a handicap plus until Miami Heat be 6 points or 7 points. Say they will not lose by that margin to the New York Knicks. Heat if you want to be risky now the Miami Heat can also stand the New York Knicks at the Madison Square Garden.
Mate, Mark Azar Bodu, Gogu Medasa Power.
Yes, madam.
Na Baba Hona Hena, second, you know, about Tiki over Nadia Kibiato Serama Pemere.